Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So friends, thank you so much to give me such a huge success on my YouTube channel. So I thanks to all of my friends who is supporting me on my channels and watching my video. This is all just because of you guys. Today is the first time I'm showing my face on my channel. So guys, there is a big achievement for me, like I bought one of the biggest dream of my life, and I'll show you on the channel and guide you like how you can do that and how you can improve your animation much more better than before. I just want to show you right now. So here's your surprise guys, like this is my dream to buy a Wacom Cintiq, and finally on my 27th of birthday I just bought it and give me like the self gifted, you can say. And this is really like I can't say in words like how much like I really can't explain you how I'm feeling right now, but it's really a big achievement for me. So today I'm gonna unbox this one and I'll show you like what inside it and why I decided to go with this one instead of the another product. As you know, like if you go to the websites you will find much more better or something like that, but why I go with this one and what is inside this. So without any delay, let's start the video. I will tell you everything like from which website I bought this one and the reason like why I decided to go with that websites and everything. So firstly I was planning to buy this one from the Wacom websites, but later on when I compare the price with the other websites like the Amazon, so Amazon is best buy, so I decided to go with the I decided to go with the Amazon. The reason behind this one is like when I checked the price on the Wacom websites, so it was a little bit expensive. There is around the cost of $100, or sorry, it's not a 100, like $200 more expensive than the Amazon. And while on the Best Buy it was also expensive, so I decided to go with the Amazon. As you see, the packaging is awesome, and what we have inside, let's see. So this is just a phone and nothing in this. So let's, and there's another box. So what's inside, like, okay, so as you can see this is the screen. I will open it later, not now. I'm just putting my screen here, and to be honest it's too slim and it's light also, like it's not too heavy. And except that in the other box, as you show in the video right now, so in the other box we have the adapter, like the power cable, you can check here easily. And on the other side we have the pen. It's like a so elegant, like it's really amazing, like I can't explain this one in my word. Like on the other hand we have the guide kit also, you can see like how to install the Cintiq in your system and how you can plug everything. And there is a HDMI, so that you can plug it with your PC or your laptop, like it's depend upon you like how you want to use it. And this is the last one, I think so. So there is a again the power cable, so that you can attach these things with this one and then your screen. Okay, so I will share the link on my YouTube channel also. Like if you wanna buy, so you can go there and buy it. So you can buy from the websites for my international friends like who is like from the India. So I would suggest you to go with the Amazon.in, or otherwise you can go directly to the Wacom sites also. So I will drop the link for the both. So it's up to you, like from which website you wanna buy. But to be honest, it's all depends upon you. So you can see the screen. So finally, here is my screen. You can check the Wacom, and it's so my oh my god. Guys, to be honest, I was dying to buy this one, and I'm really happy to have like one of the screen in my life, because I was trying to buy this for the last like few years. Like when I saw this on this on the Wacom website for the first time, I was like, no, this is my dream, and I will definitely buy this one. And today I'll achieve it. You know what? Why I go with the Wacom? Because I trusted that the product, because I'm using the Wacom from last 9 years, so I know the quality and the feel which is provided by the Wacom instead of the other one. I know, like, you can check, it's up to you, but I would suggest you, if you taste the Wacom once, I don't think so you're gonna with the other products. So here we have the two stands, like two legs, so you can like use it like this way for like the 90-degree angles, not more than that. And then there is no button, nothing on the screen, it's just a simple screen, that's it, as you see in the video. I hope you like my video. If you have any query related to the Cintiq or Wacom pen tab, so please ask me in the comment section, guys. In the next video, I will tell you how we can connect all the wires and how you will be able to connect the screen with your pen tab. So stick with my channels, and soon I will drop the next video. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.